Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use free VPN on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So I'm provide full guide, no need to any paid and totally 100% safe. So open your app store, go to search option, search set to VPN, and you just install this VPN because this VPN is totally free and 100% safe. Press on open. Need to set up. Then you get this interface. Press on showing it to location. Okay, like select and you on, and you just wait few seconds. Now connect VPN. Okay, now successfully connect this VPN, and when you disconnect, press on to disconnect. So that's it.